Kaayaayang araw guys! So today is November 23, 2023. It's a Thursday and it's 5 a.m. We are now here at Naiya Terminal 2 and we are on our way to Boracay. We're taking an AirAsia flight via Kalibo and it's scheduled to leave at 9:55 a.m. Ayan. So check-in lang kami. So here we are now sa boarding area and we're just waiting for the plane. So in a few minutes, mag-a-announce na sila ng boarding. Boarding! Lion!
Wait, where do I sit?
So, ayan, we have landed here sa Kalibo Airport. So, it's 10:46 a.m. So, we are around 15 minutes early kasi nakaschedule na. Arrival namin here supposedly is 11 a.m. So, that's good. And we are now on our way to look for Island Star Express, which is the transfer service that we booked via Klook. Ayan. So, ayun Island Star Express. Southwest to eh. Asan? Kita mo? Island Star. Oh, ayun, ayan.
Ma'am, taxi po.
Ayun.
Meron na.
Thank you.
Ma'am, taxi po.
Eto. Ayan. Island Star Express. Yun. Here. Thank you.
Good morning.
So, they're gonna give you this. Island Star Express. So, we're on our way to the bus.
Takes a 1 hour and 40 minutes ride. So almost 65 kilometers away from Kalibo Airport to Katiklan Port.
So after you have boarded the bus, there is just a short briefing about the transfer and just a few reminders from Island Star Express.
From Katiklan Port bound to Boracay Port, it takes 15 minutes boat ride. Then after Boracay, from Boracay Port bound to your hotel, it takes another 10 to 15 minutes ride via multi-cab po ng Island Star. So pagdating ng island, may multi-cab po yung magkikita po sa inyo going to hotel destination. Okay? So yung sticker po na binigay po namin, please lang, visible lang sa damit. Para pagdating ng port, makita po kayo ng coordinator po namin para may arrange yung boat ride nyo going to Boracay. Okay? So sa sticker po may nakalagay doon sa sticker na TNA, ibig sabihin terminal and environmental fees na bayad na po kayo. So the rest na walang TNA, so ibig sabihin na may babayaran po tayo na government tax. So alam niyo naman yun siguro sa inclusion natin na may babayaran tayo na government tax not included po sa transfer. Okay? So yan po.
Ayan, so we're here in Katiklan Jetty Port. And then, pagbaba ng bus, sinalubong na kami ni ate from Island Star. Ayan. Sunod tayo kay ate. 1. Ayan, tapos pupunta tayo sa booth ng Island Star Express. Ayan. here. So, hinintay lang namin yung requirements. Sila na yung mag-fill out ng form. And then, we're off to the boat. Ayan. Sisi! Sisi! Hi! Say hi! Ayan, daming tao ngayon. So, again, yung flight namin was from Kalibo. But the transfer is seamless so far. No, wala naman tayong reklamo sa transfer. Asikasong-asikaso nila. Ayan.
Oh! 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 Oh!
Ayan. Ito ba yun? Kuya. Boarding na. So, ayan. Kaya maganda yung may transfer na nakabook. Kasi, wala nang hassle. Ayan. Hello po. Ayan. So, we're gonna wait here. There. Ayan. Waiting for boarding. So here pala sa other side. Ayan. Go, Zion. Oh. Ayan. So, they gave us like a stub. Tapos meron siyang seat number sa boat. There.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. Sabay niyo. Kasama ko si Josie.
We're here na sa boat. It's so puno. Are you excited na, Zion? We're gonna go naman and ride the multicab to the hotel. Hagad. Sisi! So, ayan. So, that's why it's better na may nabook kayong transfer kasi hahanapin nyo na lang yung contact person dun sa company na yung either Southwest or Island Star Express. Napagod ako. Laters. Grabe yung wine. Ayun o. Wow. On our way na kami to the hotel. So this is the last ride. Ayan. And sakto lang sa check-in. Ayan, we're here na. So, meron kaming kasabay, Henan Regency. So, sila yung last na atid. Pero ito na. We're gonna go inside the room. There. We're gonna do a room tour later. Ayan, so dito yung buffet. Ayan, hatid kami ni Kuya. There. Second floor, I think, kasi 215. So, this is the key card. So, it's room 215. So, here's the right side.
Doorbell.
There. So, pag pasok mo, there's a kitchen and the dining area. And then, this is the first room. And then, this is the one with the toilet and bath. There. Yes, Sisi? Okay. There. And then the second room is this one. So it has a big bed. I think it's queen or king size. And then this one naman has no room, but it has, it's very big, it's very spacious. And then dining area, and then there's a living area. And then there. So the kitchen has refrigerator. It has microwave. And then of course yung sink. And then we have the cups here and the plates and the placemat. And then my cabinet here. And then this is the range hood, and then meron silang induction, and then may free coffee, and then of course there's cabinet under, but you won't use it anyway. Yan, there. May utensils din inside in case you want to eat here. So there. And my fire extinguisher there. So it's really nice, it's really clean. And yan, again, the living area. And then, this is gonna be a room. Very big bed. So this is the first room. Again, I showed you earlier. And then, sa gitna, there's a
Baby.
toilet and bath. And then, this is the main room, the master's bedroom. Ayan. So, exactly the same except for the toilet and bath. Because here sa room na to, it's here na inside. Ayan. So, there. So, that's it, guys, for our trip from Manila to Boracay. And our mini room tour. Ayan. So, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and share this video. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para palagi kayo updated if I have a new video upload. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next vlog and more of our Boracay vacation. Bye!